this informative video, we will introduce you to how to recover deleted photos from Android internal storage by using the best Android Photos recovery software. In addition, we also provide some additional information about Android phone pictures deletion and recovery. I hope to help you. Part 1. Warnings for recovering deleted photos from Android internal storage. 1. The first and most important thing is to stop using your phone. 2. Quickly find a reliable app to help you recover deleted phone content as quickly as possible. 3. Do not restart the phone multiple times. Part 2. How to recover deleted photos from Android internal storage. To efficiently recover deleted photos from Android phone internal storage, here is a great program, namely Mobikin Doctor for Android, which enables you to retrieve not only photos, but also contacts, messages, videos, etc. Now, let's look at the detailed steps on how to recover photos from Android phone internal storage. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to computer. Step 2. Select the photos you want to recover. Step 3. Recover deleted photos from Android phone internal memory. Part 3. Android app to recover deleted photos from Android internal memory. App Store deleted data within, not restoring to the computer. Limited support for recovering text files. Storage expansion requires a purchase. No recovery of app data like WhatsApp.